We purchased this house. It was a 1935 traditional home built in kind of the East Coast traditional style, and we fell in love with the property. The house was in serious need of renovation, so we undertook the project and renovated from the outside in pretty much. It was sided with beautiful Douglas fir siding, and we were looking for a replacement, something that would handle the elements a little better. The house that we lived in before this one did have wood siding, and it was also built in the 30s or 40s. The design was great, but the maintenance on the wood was really, really difficult. It didn't take well to mostly the sun, and it needed to be painted every few years. So I started researching different sidings, and my architect was really, really sold on Hardie products. We decided to use artisan siding because it was almost exactly the design that was on the original house from the 30s. The look of artisan compared to wood is very, very close. We've had people stop by the house after this was installed and think that it was wood. The artisan siding fulfilled the desire to have something that looked traditional and wood, and also something that was a little more contemporary in its lines. I was thrilled to find a cement-based siding, and I knew that it would last a long time. In Southern California, we have extreme weather elements. The house has a lot of sun exposure, and I'm in a kind of a fire area, and we felt that artisan would be an excellent product for our home because I don't have to worry about the elements getting to it over time, and we don't have to worry about termites or any other insects ruining the siding. Artisan siding ended up being a perfect decision for us. My favorite feature is the streamlined look and the very clean lines. I think that the light reflects it really nicely, and I anticipate that it'll perform great.